Hello my dears, this is Sarah from SheHoldsDearly.com, and today we're going to talk about 12 vintage style cleaning supplies that you can use to double as decorations. I love this quote that beautiful tools need not be hidden. And I try to follow that as I'm thinking about how to use my cleaning supplies and tools and how to display them. So I'm hoping that as you're out thrifting and you're just going about your daily routines with cleaning and maintaining a home, that you will begin to have new eyes for how you can use these items as decorations. Here's some examples of beautiful homes and how they're bringing in that little vintage touch with just their cleaning supplies. And 2 points for whoever notices what is similar in all of these pictures. We've got scissors, dustpans, even some gardening tools. I love the color contrast in this picture, just the light blue-gray with the cream. This is really stunning with the gardening things. This is a laundry room. This is Martha Stewart's laundry room. Okay, so the thing that I want to start off with, and this isn't even on the list, this is just a foundational thing to think about. It's to include peg rail in specific rooms in your home. So laundry rooms are great. Kitchens are great. And peg rail does not have to be a mystery. I'm gonna link an amazing blog post by Liz Marie, and she does this all over her house, does entire walls, entire rooms with peg rail. So here's an awesome tutorial on how to customize peg rail and make your own any size you want, so you're not trying to buy pieces and splice shelves together and things. No, you can build your own. You can learn how to do it yourself with this tutorial. So this is her kitchen. They ended up taking out their hood actually above their stove and just doing a full wall of peg rail, and they show you how to buy the corbels and what size everything needs to be, how to add the pegs. Okay, so I definitely want to encourage you to include some peg rail. Now let's talk about the 12 things that you can be looking for when you're out thrifting, and have in mind what colors you're gonna stay committed to. So mine are typically like white and cream, natural colors, browns, and maybe some gray. Okay, so that helps me when I'm out at garage sales and thrift stores. So number one is to get a cute broom. This one I got at the store at home. It has a natural wood handle with gray and the little twine to hang it with. So that I felt like was vintage enough, soft enough, I could use it in my decorating. What I don't have is a cute dustpan. I'm waiting for my plastic one to give out, and then I'll either get a cream one, like this one from Zara, or maybe even a copper. So see how pretty those are hanging just with some twine on the peg rail. Okay, number two would be a cute bucket. Now this one's a little bit small. I paid $3.99 for this at Value Village, and then I noticed on the bottom it's $5. Looks like it came from Target for $5, so I only saved $1. But thrift stores have gotten more expensive, so that's a bummer. But anyway, any type of metal bucket like this that you see, wooden handles are super cute. And you can get an old-fashioned style mop from Zara Home here. Also, can we just take a moment here and look at the cutest window cleaner I've ever seen. This is from Zara. This actually makes me want to wash windows. This squeegee is so cute. So see, once you start on this path of trying to find cute cleaning supplies, you're gonna start noticing things and start like prioritizing buying these things. But I feel like you want to work in this direction because it makes cleaning more fun and you have more decorations. Number three is to pay attention to large baskets when you're out thrifting. So I found this beautiful laundry basket for $2 at a garage sale. And it would look good hanging up on the wall if I had the space for it, or holding blankets or whatever. But large baskets are good to collect and use as dual purpose items. Okay, number 4 are wooden caddies. Well, metal caddies too, but wooden for sure. So I found these, they were $10. They're from IKEA, and each one of my kids had a cleaning caddy that was semi-successful. And I put their names on them with these cute little tags, and we had these in our closet, our walk-in closet downstairs that I did a whole blog post on. But caddies are really good to hold cleaning supplies, and I just realized last week that I would like a 4th cleaning caddy upstairs for myself, so I'm not running downstairs. I'm trying to notice more ways that I'm wasting time this year, and I noticed that I'm running up and down the stairs to get cleaning supplies for the upstairs, which is silly. So my son actually made this for me in school, and I never really gave it a specific job, but I pulled it out this morning and I thought, I'm gonna paint this. And this is gonna be my upstairs cleaning caddy. So if you have something like that around that you just haven't given a specific job, this might be a good idea. I really love this new, it's a metal one, but it's a cleaning caddy. It's from Hearth & Hand, the Magnolia line at Target. And so I am going to use this as my inspiration piece when I paint this caddy. Number 5 is to get your spray bottles. Now I love to put products in separate bottles I don't like the labels. I try to get away from plastic because I don't think it looks as vintage, but you can put your cleaning supplies in plain colored containers. So to start off, I would say go to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has plastic bottles that are $1, of course, and those are the ones that I have in these caddies that I showed you. Now, the spray nozzle is generally like pink, yellow, or green, and so I spray paint them with a high gloss black spray paint because I'm a little OCD like that sometimes. So you can do that, or you can get glass bottles, and I'm slowly investing in glass bottles. Now they're heavier, they break if you're working with little kids, that's not good, and they're smaller, but I do, like this is the bottle that I use when I'm ironing for spraying down the fabric. So I will link my favorite glass bottles in the description below. That's an idea. Or if you, a lot of times you can find just the bottle when you're out thrifting, and then it's a simple step of finding, just ordering some spray nozzles for the top. My glass bottle was $6.50 as opposed to $1. All right, let's move on into the kitchen now. So I love cute towels and I try to do them, but they end up having to iron them, and I'm trying to get away from ironing. So I am in the process of transitioning all of my dish towels over to just these. They're called Chinese pre-folds, and they are the most absorbent towels that I've ever used. So I find these when I'm thrifting. They're in the thrift stores, they're at the garage sales for 10 cents, 25 cents. Get these, and then you can bleach them out and keep them super white. They look fine for cleaning, they look fine for dish towels, whatever you want. But the point is they're super absorbent and they're easy to maintain. So I suggest Chinese pre-folds as your dish towels. And I love this picture. I don't think that these are necessarily Chinese pre-folds in these hanging baskets, but isn't that cute to put on your wall in your kitchen? Number 8, these are the washcloths that I've decided I love. So you can make these, and there are really sweet tutorials on Pinterest about how to crochet your own dishcloths. They take about an hour to make, and it would be fun to do if you have daughters that want to learn. But I always keep my eyes out at garage sales for little crocheted pieces. And I mean, I got these, I probably paid 50 cents a piece. And technically, I think they're supposed to be used like trivets for hot dishes and things. But I see them and I instantly say, dishcloths. Okay, so anything that's kind of the right size and that has some good texture to it, those are beautiful washcloths for your dishes. Grab those when you see them. Number 9 are natural handled, natural bristled scrub brushes. So you can buy like 3-pack of these on Amazon, no big deal. These are super pretty next to the sink or up on a little cake stand or on your shelf or something by the sink. Invest in these for scrubbing your dishes and you'll have just that much more of a little vintage, timeless look in your kitchen. Number 10 would be even to find white gloves. Now, they aren't gonna last as long if I'm scrubbing out spaghetti sauce or something, but I found some of these. I found these at a garage sale. They were in packages, but I found several of these for 50 cents a pack. So I have white dishcloths. You don't have to do that, but it's one more thing to make look all beautiful when it's sitting out or being used. Number 11, staying with our dishes theme, amber bottles are also really beautiful to have on hand. And you can print out a beautiful label for them. I'm gonna talk about labels here as number 12. But this was actually a gift to me. It's huge. I'm sure it was, you know, $20 or so that my friend gave me as a gift. So once we used up the wild lavender hand soap, I kept the bottle, of course, and I just fill it with something inexpensive, just a plain scented liquid soap. So there's ways to get around expensive things in your kitchen by just reusing the bottles. Okay, and number 12, this is not technically a cleaning item, but I wanted to include it because I think it's so valuable, is to have a really good labeler. So these are in Martha Stewart's laundry room. I have this, it's a P-Touch labeler and I'll link it for you, but you can easily just type in your word, print it off on the little sticker. I found these bottles, these amber bottles recently, and I love how she has dish soap in one and then hand soap in the other bottle. I love that idea. This is my friend Lauren from Bless Her House, and her labels were so cute. I love that they're all caps. I love that it's white on black. So I ordered myself one of these embossing labelers and it'll be in soon, but I'll link this for you if you also like that style of label. All right, so there's 12 ideas for how to make your house that much more useful and beautiful. I have a blog post that I did way back on how to clean your thrifted finds, so I will link that for you as well. And this is a huge part of my behind the scenes group, which is my decorating school that I have. We spend a full year completely decluttering our homes, and there's a whole program that I go through with this. If you're interested in joining that group, we are gonna open in March. I will leave you a link for the wait list and we'll send you more information when that school opens. All right, let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below, and if you would add anything. I always love to learn from you guys, so tell me what else we could add to our list. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button so I can send you more videos on how to make interior design easy. All right, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.